In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install AOL Mail. We will walk through everything slowly so you can follow along on your Android phone without any guesswork. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app list. It usually has a multicolored triangle on a white background. When you tap it, the main Play Store page should load, showing featured apps and a search bar at the top. If the Play Store asks you to log in with a Google account, go ahead and sign in using your email and password. Once you are signed in, the Play Store will reload and you will stay logged in for future app installs. Now that the Play Store is open, focus on the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap inside the search bar and your keyboard should pop up from the bottom. Type the word AOL with a space at the end, so it reads AOL. As you type, you will see suggestions appear under the bar, usually including AOL or AOL Mail. On many phones, the correct AOL Mail app will appear as a top suggestion with the familiar blue icon and white letters. If you see AOL among the suggestions, tap that suggestion so you do not need to finish typing. This helps avoid spelling mistakes and quickly takes you to the correct search results. After confirming the text, the Play Store will show you a list of apps related to AOL. From there, find the AOL app in the search results and tap it to open the app page. You should now see a large Install or Get button near the top, along with the AOL logo, screenshots, and the app rating. Tap the Install or Get button one time, and the download will begin immediately. Right under the button, you will see a progress bar showing the download percentage, followed by an installing message. On a fast internet connection, this may only take a few seconds, but on a slower connection, it can take a bit longer. Keep the Play Store open during this part so you can watch the progress. Once the installation finishes, the button will change from Install to Open, which confirms the AOL Mail app is now installed on your phone. At the same time, you will also find a new AOL icon added to your app list, and often a shortcut appears on your home screen for quick access. You have now successfully installed the AOL Mail app from the Google Play Store and are ready to open it and sign into your email. If this helped you get AOL Mail set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple app guides.